I got more slime. I'm gonna open it. It's the slime I got that blue one from. Now I want to open it. Look. Cute little charm. And this funny looking mochi. Now the slime, it's a jelly slime, but it looks real sticky right now. Good thing they give us activator. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. That smells good, but it's a little bit sticky. Now my hands. But first, these little I had to add a little more activator. Boop. A moment for appreciation. Oh, that feels nice. Whoa.